Hello, this is an Apple stock technical analysis for May 2024. The reason I'm mentioning the entire month is that it may take the entire month or so to play out. We've got this big bull flag that was broken to the upside here on beginning of May. Very nice breakout. And this channel to retest that almost to retest it. We actually, buyers came in a bit before because there were some buy orders at this line, which is the VWAP from this important pivot. This was in the beginning of 2023. Back up for a double top at the all-time high, and then back into the standard deviation of this anchored VWAP. We lost the VWAP itself. Price doesn't seem, I mean, it still can retest it and probably conquer the upper half of the standard deviation, but most likely it will not. It's looking, at least to me, quite there still with little resistance from buyers. And I think because we haven't tested this perfect bull channel with these three touch points, actually, this is a fourth one in the breakout, this was not a touch. So we should touch it again, and that is at approximately 160. I'm saying approximately because we don't know exactly where it can happen, but it's going to be around 160, it seems. But then we might also pierce it down and fake out some, pull in some new bears that take shorts. But then we've got this lower standard deviation, and that's at about 155. Then we have also the semi. It's actually not where I marked it. It would be actually here. We have also the semi round number 150. So we may even have a deep pullback. And then in this area, okay, the 150 to 160, I think it would be in place to set a net of buys. A net of buy, I mean, you don't go all in just at 160. All in is in terms of your all in position. You can go, for example, one fourth, another one fourth, another one fourth, and a fourth, one fourth of your entire budget to average out a better entry price. And then that allows you to put a stop that is a normal stop, let's say at 145, for example, where you would get, for example, from 155, so you have a $10 stop, but basically you can also later go to 189, be looking something like this. Let's look the long position. So for example, something like this, okay, where I have this, and even here I have a 2.6. A lot of the people watching it were saying, "Oh, I don't really mind. I'm just going to go. I'm looking for a longer term dip, which is fine." And they might take partial profit here at the 173 VWAP or here at the 188 upper part of the standard deviation, or even at the all-time high level of just under 200. I'm going to take, for example, 20% partial profit there and ride the rest long term because I believe in Apple, which is up to you. This is the map that I'm looking at. This is what the map that I wanted to share with you. Do return to Forex Live for additional views, perspectives, and analysis. And